Hello children, good morning. This is Kameshwari. Welcome to video lecture classes. In the last video, I explained you the types of farming. How many types of farmings are there? We are discussing the lesson. In the part of that, I will continue the same lesson in this video. What are the two types of farmings? Farming is divided into two types. What are those two types? Subsistence farming and commercial farming. What is meant by subsistence farming is in this type of farming only family members had done that agriculture. Low levels of technology were used in this type of agriculture. In their agricultural works, household labor worked. They used a small plot of land and output is also too small. That is called the subsistence farming. This subsistence farming is divided into two types. What are those two types? Intensive subsistence for agriculture and primitive subsistence agriculture. Now let us discuss the intensive subsistence agriculture. In this type of agriculture, the farmer cultivates a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. Here the farmer cultivates a little area of land. At the same time, he does not use the more technology also. Tractors, they did not use technology and tractors, whatever. What they use, he uses more labor. He uses simple tools. Simple tools were used by them. Climate with large number of days with sunshine and fertile soils permanent growing of more than one crop annually on the same plot. If the climate supports him, he cultivates more than one crop annually on the same plot. When he cultivates, on which time he cultivates two crops annual is in which year the climate supports him. Suppose if the climate supports him, he cultivates the same land two times. Okay. In some years, climate does not support him. At that time, he does not do anything. Rice is the major crop. In this intensive farming, the major crop is rice. Other crops include wheat, maize, pulses and oil seeds. These are the major food crops of the intensive subsistence agriculture. This type of farming is prevalent in the areas of monsoon regions of Southeast and East Asia. This type of farming is prevalent in the areas of monsoon regions. Suppose our India is located in the Asia continent. So Southeast and East Asia, regions of Southeast and East Asia. These are our India. What are the countries located in the east side of the Asia continent and southeast corner side? In these areas are suitable for this type of agriculture. Next type is primitive subsistence agriculture. Primitive subsistence agriculture. This agriculture again divided into two types. This agriculture again divided into two types. It includes two types of agriculture. So what are those two types? Are shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Already we know very well about the shifting agriculture. Shifting. Shifting cultivation is known by the different names in different parts of the world. It has so many names. One area people called it in another names. What are those names? Now see. Zooming cultivation. Zooming agriculture or shifting agriculture. Both are same. Zooming cultivation is the name of the northeast India. The northeast India people call this cultivation as zooming cultivation. And milpa, Mexico, they call the shifting cultivation as milpa. Next, roca. In Brazil country, they call roca. And lading, that is Malaysia. These are the other names of the shifting cultivation. What is the meaning of the shifting cultivation? Is a plot of land is cleared by felling the trees and burning them. Those people, they have chosen one area, one plot of land, they chop all the trees and everything, and they burning those plants. The ashes are then mixed with the soil, and crops like maize, yam, potatoes, and cassava are the main crops were grown by in this type of agriculture. After some days, when the soil loses its fertility, those people leave that place. They went to some area. How did they go? At the time of they are leaving that area, they have to brought their animals and everything. So this is called the nomadic herding. Okay, these are the areas quick generation and vegetation. Shifting cultivation is also known as slash and burn agriculture. Okay, slash and burn agriculture and zooming agriculture, milpa, roca, landing. These are the other names of the shifting cultivation. That is the meaning of the shifting cultivation. Next, nomadic herding. What is the meaning of nomadic herding? What is the meaning of nomadic? Means who are moving one area to another area. That is, those people are called the nomads. We discussed this word in history. Okay, nomads, they practice the shifting cultivation in one area. When that soil loses its fertility, they have to leave those areas. They went to some other areas. At the time, they had brought their animals also. Such type of that is called the nomadic herding. It was practiced in the semi-arid and arid regions of Sahara. In the Sahara desert areas and Central Asia and some parts of India like Rajasthan and Jammu Kashmir. In our India, Rajasthan and Jammu Kashmir people were follows this type of agriculture and herding also. In this farming, herdsmen move from place to place with their animals. Herdsmen move from one place to another with their animals. What are the animals they had? Like camels or goats, sheep, buffaloes, cows. What they have with their animals, they are moving one area to another area. Why did they move? Because of fodder and water along defined roads. Why did they move? Why did they leave that places? Means in those areas fodder, water is not available for themselves and their animals also. That's why those people moves place to place with their animals. Okay, they provide milk, meat, wool, hides and other products to the herders and their families. This type of movement arises in response to the climatic content and the terrain. Okay, climatic conditions and the terrain of the areas. So, have you understood, children? Then, have you understood, children? In this video, I explained the types of farming. In the next video, I explain you the commercial farming. Okay, children? Bye.